In this video, I'm going to show you how to check medical status for Australian visa. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up a web browser and head on over to Google. Now in Google search, type in eMedical Client Australia. So we need to take note of these two top results here. So your eMedical Client login and eMedical Clients. This is support tool of how to do this. So I'm going to click on the first link here, which is here. Now, if we scroll down here, we need to, before using the medical client ID, you need to have your family name, your HAP ID, and date of birth, and click on OK. Now, to access this page, this is going to be here to log in, and it's going to look like that. So you're going to put in your family name, HAP ID, and date of birth. Now, once you've signed in, you need to record your answers to medical history questions in Redical and record medical history. The answer for all questions to no, select answer no to all at the top right of the screen. You can then select yes to any answer where appropriate. If you select yes, you must provide details. So that's going to look similar to this, like that. And then at the bottom of the record medical history screen, you'll need to provide consent for using the eMedical system by opening client declaration. So you want to go ahead and submit that. Keep scrolling down. And then on the general referral letter screen, answer the additional questions and press save and print referral letter. Now from here, we scroll down and then we're going to be able to check our medical status for Australian visa below this. So it's going to look similar to this. Then keep scrolling down here. Now, if your health examination results have not been submitted to the department, the information sheet will advise that the status of an individual examination will not appear as complete until your case has been submitted to the Department of Home Affairs. You may need to follow up with your clinic you undertook your health examinations to request an update wherever they have submitted your results to the department. So you're going to get your you'll be able to check your medical status here. And also, if your health examination has been successfully submitted to the department, the information sheet will advise you that your e-medical case has been submitted to the department.